So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix settings not opening in Windows 11. So first of all, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now this will open Run dialog box. Here type ms settings and colon. Press enter. And this should open settings app on your Windows PC. In case the issue is still not fixed, then open the task manager. For this, right click on start icon. Now here click on task manager. Now here search for file explorer. Now here search for explorer. Select Windows Explorer and now click on restart task. Now once you do this, you should be able to open settings on Windows 11 PC. So this is how you can fix settings not opening in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.